Hello and welcome back to Call to Claim channel, where you are called to claim free crypto airdrops. And in this channel, I give you guys the tips and tricks on how to make money online. So today I'll be showing you guys on how to claim free 100 Blur token. Okay, it's an airdrop, and I want you guys to go in and do this. Okay, so in my next video, I'll be showing you guys also on how to claim an ARB airdrop. Okay, look guys, call came in and we never knew. Most of us denied. Some of us said is fake, scam, and most of us didn't did it. I actually didn't do anything about it, but my friends called me and told me, yo bro, I just cash out on this. Okay, so guys, don't take anything casual this year 2023. All right, so this year we're about to cash out more and more of the airdrops and other make money online tips. Okay, what I'll be giving to you on this. So guys, I want you guys to be hopping into my channel and do more to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you will not get missed on any update I'm giving you guys. Okay, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Any of my videos, please just give it thumbs up. Okay, it is free, subscription is free. Okay, thumbs up is free, commenting is free, everything is free, so don't feel reluctant. Okay, as I'm scalping online, bumping online, trying to see how I can give you guys things. All right, so I want you guys to also do the same for me. All right, okay, so today I'll be showing you guys on how to claim that airdrop. So right, this is how it is. Okay, so the link is going to be on my comment. As you can see here, 5 days is left. Okay, 5 days and the time is ticking. Right, it's a Blursea token. Okay, and this Blursea is I can say it's a daughter or a sister or a brother. Let's say a sister to OpenSea. Okay, so about the Blursea, say if you missed the Blur airdrop, don't miss the Blur's airdrop again. All right, Blursea is a fork of OpenSea. You see, it's a fork of OpenSea which combines the advantages of Blur and OpenSea. Right, I don't want to go ahead and read all that. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the contract address. Okay, the token symbol, which is BLUS, which is BLUS. Contract address, here is it, decimal 8, total supply 30 million. All right, and the blockchain is not an ethereum, it's not a BSC, which is blockchain network. Okay, is an ethereum L20. So as you can see, you can check the white paper here. Okay, to see their roadmap. Presale is live. Okay, so you can participate on the presale. This is the contract address for the presale, so we won't be going in there. So but if you have any interest in going for the presale, okay, look, the presale is what, guys. Okay, but we that don't have the money, we go for the airdrop, so you can actually claim the airdrop and also go for the presale. Right, so I'll be going to my Trust wallet to get my ethereum to get my ethereum wallet address. Okay, look at it here. You click on ethereum, here is it. Okay, you click on that, you click on receive. Right, after clicking, now click on copy here for those that don't know. All right, let's go back, guys. Now you have to come down to this place. You click, they say enter ethereum address. Right, you just have to put in there, paste it there, and click submit. Boom. Look, it's very easy. As you can see here, it is 50 blurs I've gotten. Right, but if you refer anybody, you get 100. I already have 100. Okay, but I just use this browser to show you guys. Okay, now this is the link here. Okay, the blursea.io. okay, it's gonna be on my comment, so I want you guys to go in there. So as you can see, this is the Telegram group, okay, which you can communicate with other of your friends. The community airdrops, the airdrop quantity is 6 million blurs. Okay, 20% airdrop rules is Blursea will end the community airdrop at 6 on March 31. This month, the ending of this month 2023. As you can see here, March 31 2023, community users can participate in the airdrop by submitting the ethereum wallet address on the Blursea website. Okay, the initial amount of each address is 50 blurs token. The airdrop is completely free, and the airdrop reward will be distributed to the submitted address after the airdrop is over. Okay, I don't want to go down again. I don't want this video to be short. So as you can see, that is it, guys. So right here, let's go and copy the contract address and go and put it in. Now I'm going to copy this contract here. Okay, do away. Now this is it. this is what you see here. Okay, this one here. Okay, this is it. Okay, you copy it. You see, copied. Then all you have to do next is to go to your Trust wallet. Let's go back to Trust wallet and put in the wallet and the contract address there. So as you can see here, that is it. So right now, let's go. You click on this button here. This one you are seeing here. That this is hovering around. You click on that. Then now click on this plus here. Okay, there are different ways in doing it. Then all you have to do is to paste that contract address which I copied, right? Paste it here. This is organized. Alright, as you can see, you see Blursea, Blurs symbols and 18. Okay, you now click on paste, click on save. That is it, guys. I see 0 blurs. Okay, now when the time reach to distribute it, they're going to distribute it straight to your blurs. Okay, as you can see here, blurs, right? So if you want to see more of this airdrop, okay, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon so you won't get missing on any update I'm dropping. And also don't forget to comment and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, like this video, guys, and I'm waiting to see you in my next video. Okay, check it out.